Chilli clams or LaLa is a must-order dish at zi-char stall. It is easy to cook at home and is no less tasty. You must try it. This is half a kilogram of LaLa. Put them in a large bowl with 1 tablespoon of salt. It does not take long before you can see bubbles appearing and the LaLa will start to spit water. Cover and let them sit until we are ready to cook. This will get sand out of the clams. Just before cooking, scrub the LaLa shell one by one with a brush. This is 10 dried chili soaked in water for at least half an hour. This is 2 stalks of lemongrass, 3 fresh chili, 3 shallots, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 small piece of ginger. Smash the lemongrass stalk to release its flavor. Blend all the ingredients into a paste. We start by frying the chili paste. Add the lemongrass and fry until fragrant for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1½ bowl of water. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Boil for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the clams. The clams will open as we cook. When all the clams are open, add salt and sugar to taste. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.